Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, I am going to recap the calls which I gave you for today's session. First call was by ICICI Bank at 6:35. This is the daily chart, and as you can see, the stock price did not even came close to touching the entry level, and that can be attributed to huge gap down opening, hence entry level not hit. Second call was by RBL Bank at 251.05. This is the daily chart. 251.05. It opened at 253.60. Let me go to 15-minute chart. It was the opening range 251 and 250 was our stop loss, and 250, I don't know why I have written like this. It should be 252. So 251.50, 252, 253, 254, which means 3 target achieved. Third stock was by TVS Motors at 614.75. So looking at the 614 mark, opened at 623, which means it just opened way above our entry level. Fourth stock was by Tata Steel at 766.80. 66.80 Tata Steel. Once again, a gap down opening completely spoiled our analysis. I'm going to copy the first result. So this is the summary of today's call, and I gave you wonderful call in my Telegram channel in UPL. So anybody who have got onto it can comment in this video, so that it will others will know about it, and also it will encourage me to try and find such a multi-bagger trades. And for that particular stock, I use jackpot day trading strategy, and the video is already there in my YouTube channel. You can watch it if you want. Now I am going to take you through the 4 stocks for tomorrow's session. First stock is TVS Motors. If you take into account these 3 candles, you can see there is fair bit of consolidation going on. It seems like there was an imminent breakout happening from the high of these 2 candles, but in today's session, sellers came in numbers and the stock price is currently at 618.30. We can see a decent bearish momentum till maybe 610 or even lower. I'll take you to hourly chart. Same thing can be seen here. There was a case of lower lows and lower highs, which is a bearish pattern on the 15-minute chart. On the hourly chart, we can draw a line like this, which is a part of my jackpot day trading strategy. So if stock price goes lower than this candle, as this candle has the low or lowest low of this, and this particular candle, which is 615. So we can place sell order below that, and we can certainly see a decent enough retracement or bearish momentum up to 610 or even 68 or 67. Second stock which I have taken for tomorrow's session is Tata Steel. Tata Steel was going nowhere in today's session. As you can see by doji candle, it formed a channel and it was going back and forth between that channel throughout the session. This is also a inside bar and this is a precedent bar. So generally inside bar implies that the momentum has taken a pause, but once either high or low of the inside bar gets taken down, we can see a strong momentum coming back. I can easily see Tata Steel going up in tomorrow's session. Can you see a gap here? This is a gap, and see how stock price is kind of facing lots of support. It is making a pattern called higher highs and higher lows. This stopped in the last hour or last 2 hours, and after that, even though stock price tried to go down, there is a bit of wick, which means that the level of 757 to 750 is it acting as a decent support level. And mind you, this is a triangle pattern as well. So we can easily see stock price taking out the high of the triangle pattern, and it might take or might face resistance here, and the level is at 772. So this looks like an amazing opportunity for us to trade in Tata Steel in tomorrow's session. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Ambuja Cement. This is a familiar pattern. Stock broke out of all boundaries and then tried to end the day at high, but it faced bit of selling, or in other words, profit booking. The volume activity has not expanded, and I am sure that buyers will be more than happy to load colossal amount of quantity in Ambuja Cement so that we can see this particular volume activity in a day. On the hourly chart, one thing is pretty sure, this is a huge candle. Price came down. You might have thought that the profit booking might be more than what we can see in this particular candle. It might go even lower, but it did not, which means that there is still bullish momentum, and this just gives away. I'll explain you how it is. Long range bullish candle, price tried to go down, again it went up, again tried to go down, again it went up, but the support level of 290 is intact. And this particular bearish candle, and look at volume activity. Volume activity has not expanded, and also you have to take into consideration that this bearish candle also has a bit of buying activity, as we can see wick on the upper side, similarly to this bearish candle. So when you are doing volume analysis, pay attention to wick and take into consideration that as well. So this becomes a breakout zone, and we are definitely going to see a breakout with high volume activity. Talking about fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session, it is nothing but Apollo Tyres, and it seems that Apollo Tyres and Ambuja Cements are following or tailgating each other. Almost similar candle formation can be seen on the daily chart as well. Going to hourly chart, this was a bit of a resistance, and as you can see, looking at the approach, this is called a higher high and higher low. So this particular supply, whatever supply was there, was going to be taken down, and that happened with decent volume activity. If I go to 15-minute chart, this looks even more bullish than Ambuja Cement. It looks like bears are not able to do anything. I'll take you to 5-minute chart as well, and you can see decent bearish activity, and every single selling or every single bearish candle is used as a good opportunity by buyers to take position at lower level, and at the end of the session there is a fair bit of consolidation. Just take this 3 candle into account, and we can draw a breakout level at the high of this candle. So I hope the analysis is extremely simple. I am not doing any rocket science. I'm just following price action activity, volume activity, formation of the candle, and try to come up with a conclusion. And what I see is I try to find out more than one factor pointing towards a particular direction. In all these stocks, you can easily see that there were more than one factor which pointed towards either bullish or bearish momentum. Based on the analysis, these are the levels. This is Tata Steel. This is not Tata TVS Motors. Let me see whether I have changed it or not. Apollo Tires, okay, Tata Steel and TVS Motors. So Tata Steel, I'm going to share this in my Telegram channel as well. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy your day.